friends from the industries, ladies and gentlemen, Vanakkam. This is a very, very special day. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to this august event, a special day on which we are inaugurating or laying the foundation stones for 47 projects in all worth over 70,000 crores and providing over 1 lakh jobs for Tamil Nadu. All extremely crucial in achieving our Honorable Chief Minister's dream of a $1 trillion economy for Tamil Nadu. This has been possible only because of the consistent follow-up of the Honorable Chief Minister, who had in fact ensured that a committee is formed with myself as Minister in charge and with me the Chief Secretary. He also ensured that 6 secretaries and top officials of several departments are part of this committee so that all clearances are fast-tracked. Just about a year ago, during his trip to Singapore and Japan, in May 2023, the Honorable Chief Minister signed an MOU with Omron Healthcare of Japan to set up a medical equipment manufacturing plant. Less than 2 months later, on July 25th of 2023, Omron Healthcare broke ground for this project in Tamil Nadu. Today, just 393 days since they broke ground, here we are inaugurating the project's commercial production today. This is the outcome of meticulous follow-up and continuous hand-holding of investors, in their most crucial rollout phases of their projects. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the government of Tamil Nadu's speed under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister through M.K. Stalin Avargal. It is not just the speed of this government which should make us proud, but also the quality of projects that we are kickstarting today. Today we lay the foundation stone for Sembcorp's green hydrogen project, and it fills me with pride that this state, Tamil Nadu, will be the first state in India to roll out commercial production of large-scale hydrogen molecules in the country. Thus, making TN, again, another capital, the green hydrogen capital of India. These are just 2 examples of the many ambitious projects we are launching today. In all, today we are inaugurating 19 projects and laying the foundation stone for 28 projects. That's a total of 68,773 crores in investment and 1,06,803 jobs across 47 projects. The projects that come to life today cut across various sectors, from textiles and food processing to medical equipment manufacturing, pharma and life sciences, from green manufacturing to advanced manufacturing, from R&D to IT services, from auto parts to battery manufacturing. Just look at the vast expanse of sectors that Tamil Nadu is traversing today. During the recent elections, the Honorable Chief Minister promised industrial growth for all over Tamil Nadu. He believes in distributed growth for Tamil Nadu, specifically so for Coimbatore. Also, a few days back, the Industries Department finished the acquisition for land for the Kovai airport, and the airport expansion plan has now paved way for a massive transition in Coimbatore. And today we are looking at the future enabling more R&D in Kovai. TIDCO and Tata Technologies have come together for a public engineering facility known as the Tamil Nadu Engineering and Innovation Center, or TN Engine. Today we are laying the foundation stone for it too, and it will be launched at the Anna University campus in Coimbatore at a cost of 400 crores. We are making sure that Kovai is truly rising too. Finally, under this historic regime of Honorable through M.K. Stalin Avargal, TN will see sustained influx of high-quality, outcome-oriented investments in all parts of Tamil Nadu, in line with the Chief Minister's ultimate aim of distributed and equitable growth all across Tamil Nadu. I thank the Honorable Chief Minister for having spared his precious time to be with us today on his historic occasion, and thank him for his personal backing for the Department of Industries, Investment Promotion and Commerce, and promise him that this department will continue to shine bright under his watchful eyes. Nandri, Vanakkam.